Hi, welcome. My name is Anna, and this is a glimpse into my life. Life looks a little different these days. The car is gone, and although I do get to and from work a couple days a week, I am mostly home in my robe because it's chilly. Anyways, this day I decided to make myself a little sketchbook. And so I sat down and I cut some paper. I did the corner rounding. I punched it for Happily Planner discs. And that's exciting. Not just out for a stroll, out voting. Some gummy worms. Look at this delightful view. Can you imagine? My phone was actually clean. Next day, kids are off to school, and I've got to get ready. It's gonna be 76 degrees today. I don't know if I should believe that. Is a t-shirt in order? I'm always cold though. Do I have headphones?